Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adnan City, and today I'm going to provide you a new promo code for littlecaesars.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload a new video. Then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that in this YouTube channel Adnan Syrian, I provide promo codes for so many other companies like Uber Eats, Subway, Papa John's, Walgreens, H&M, Instacart, DoorDash, Carter's, Domino's, Stanley, Tarty, like Jets Pizza, like Grubhub, YouTube TV, Shutterfly, AliExpress, Yes Style. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos to get updated promo codes and for so many other companies and get a huge discount. So let's get started. Today I have one new promo code for you. This will give you 15% off on your online order of $15 plus. So the code number one I'm going to provide you is the first letter. I'm going to show you the first number is 1, then 5, 1 5, O, F, 1 5. Yeah, this is the only available valid code right now, so redeem this code and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So thanks for watching.